Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix corrupted files in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and find your search bar and type down CMD. Now go ahead and click on Run as an Administrator. Click on Yes, as there'll be a pop-up. Now, in this page, go ahead and type down DISM /online /cleanup -image. Okay, /restore health. You can go ahead and pause the video and type it down. Once that's done, go ahead and hit on enter. Wait for the process to finish right here, or once it gets 100%, okay, go ahead and close this command prompt. All right, you'll be able to see a status bar right here in a moment, just like so. So wait for it to hit 100%, and then once that's done, just close this window, go ahead and find the command prompt once more, and run it as an administrator again. Now this time, go ahead and type down sfc /scan now. Again, pause the video if you want to take some time to type it out. And then once that's done, just hit on enter. Okay? And again, just wait for the progress bar to hit 100%. Once this one hits 100%, you can now then go ahead and close this one. Now restart your computer, and after that, check if it helps. If that still won't work, go ahead and find your search bar once more and type down system restore. Okay? Now you'll be able to see create a restore point. Just go ahead and click on it. Now, go ahead and click on system restore right here. Okay? Maybe you have a restore point. All right? So you can go ahead and click on the recommended restore point right here, or you can choose a different restore point. Click on next. Now your restore points will be listed right here. So just go ahead and select one. If you only have one selected, okay. Now click on next. After that, just wait for the process to finish. And once done, you should be good to go. Now, if you don't have a restore point to fix this issue, you can just go ahead and what? Go ahead and type down in your search bar, reset this PC. Now click on this option. Wait a bit. Now you can go ahead and click on reset right here. You can choose to keep your files, but if you don't have important files, this one is the best option, okay? As it will try to reinstall a fresh copy of Windows. All right. So click on remove everything if you want to. Wait a bit. Just basically follow simple prompts from here. All right. Click on next, next. And then after that, once your computer boots up, it will feel like new again. All right. So just click on reset right here and just wait for it. But that's just basically it. That is how you fix corrupted files in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.